How's it going, everyone? In today's video, let's talk about the best free alternative for ChatGPT. Of course, the first option is going to be the Google Gemini. It is the most capable free AI software that we can use. It supports multimodal inputs, something like text, images, audio, or video. We have deep integration with Google Workspace applications like Documents, Google, and more. So if you're more on to the Google Workspace, I suggest using the Google Gemini as a substitute. To summarize, Google Gemini is great for everyday AI assistant. For the second option, I suggest using the Cloud AI. This is best for writing. Now, it's different because it focuses on the long reasoning and safe, coherent writing. It is excellent for documents, essay, and brainstorming ideas. Now, in here, we could write articles or scripts. We can summarize long PDF files. And then we also have some coding explanation. This is simply best for writers and long-form content. The second option is going to be the Microsoft Copilot. This is simply best for something like your workspace. Now, it is built directly onto Windows, Edge, and Microsoft 365 applications. It uses powerful models and supports coding assistant. For examples, we have some Excel formulas. We could do something like PowerPoint creations, and we can also do some coding help in the VS Microsoft Code. This is simply best for productivity and offline tasks. For the next one, it's going to be the Perplexity AI. This is best for research. Now, it's different because it works like an AI and Google combined. It gives answered with citations and sources automatically. This is simply best for something like doing some researching topics, finding reliable sources, and fact-checking news. This is best for students and research. And for the last one, it's going to be the Duck AI right here. Now, this is best for privacy because conversations are anonymous and not stored for training. We can switch between the different AI models. Now in here, we could do something like private browsing, anonymous AI queries, and testing different models. This is simply best for privacy-focused users. Now to summarize, the closest overall competitor is going to be Gemini on the top spot. The best for writing is going to be Cloud. The best for research is going to be Perplexity. For productivity, it's going to be Copilot. And for privacy, it's Duck AI. And so guys, if this review has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.